Something you have to be cautious of living out here, especially on a rural in a rural area with land, is snakes. So I'm over here today, Academy Sports, trying to get me some snake boots. I did see a snake yesterday. It was just a black racer, but as we're cutting wood, cleaning up, gardening, all that, got to have snake boots. So I'm gonna get me a pair, maybe today if they have them in stock, maybe a pair of lacrosse. So we're gonna go in here, take a look, see what we got. So I've got a lot of stuff to do on the property in the next coming weeks, and it's warming up, so got to be prepared and take that kind of stuff seriously. There we are. So the store just opened. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so we're the only ones here. I think the shoes are way in the back. So this is pretty much what I'm looking for. We'll see what they have in stock. So it's, this is the Magellan Snake Shield. This boot's a 14. I'm a 13. I'm just gonna see, because sometimes some people said that they run small on some of these boots, so I'm gonna check it out. Whatever that was. So probably why you buy lacrosse, from what I've seen on YouTube, is I just put my foot in this boot, okay? And of course, let me see. Made in Cambodia. So I don't know if you see the back of the heel here has been torn, okay? I just put my foot in there and I'm like, oh, something doesn't feel right. Well, look, the heel, the material has just been torn apart. So I'm not sure how much this boot is. We got a price on these? Let's get a price. But that tells me right there that I'm not going to be buying a pair of Magellan boots. So see if we got a price on here. It's probably not cheap. I'm guessing it's at least $100. And those probably would have fit, actually. So anyways, yeah. I mean, I bet they're at least $100. And they're already falling apart. So, made in Cambodia. So probably have to pay a little bit more, get a pair of lacrosse. That's the way it goes. I don't see lacrosse in the store here. I was hoping to try on a pair of lacrosse. But yeah, they might even be more than $100. They don't even have a price. So yeah, the lesser price shoe is $120. So this shoe is probably $150 to $200. I don't know for sure, but it's more than $120. So that's a no-go. So we'll maybe have to go to another store, or I'm going to have to order online. But I wanted to try something on before. See, this is when you buy something. I like to buy something that I can physically go try on, make sure it fits. Because some people say some of these boots run small. Don't know. Some people say they're perfect. Don't know. So I don't know. If I order something, it doesn't fit, I got to send it back. It eats up more time, and it's just an inconvenience. So this is a problem with everything online. You know, I mean, I just want to try something on. So, but anyways, piece of garbage, falling apart, over $100, well over $100 for a pair of shoes, and it's already destroyed in the box. So, the quality of stuff today is unbelievable. But from what I've been watching on YouTube, lacrosse snake boots are the way to go. So, I'm gonna have to get me a pair of lacrosse now. Hopefully, they hold up, because these definitely would not. All right, so we're leaving the academy here. The Magellan boots are no-go. Manager came up and said, look, if you we can get you the lacrosse, we can order them for you, go to the website, whatever you want. So great service. So what I'm probably going to do, we're going to go by one more place, is if I don't find them today, I'll order them, have them shipped to this store. If they don't fit, they'll get me another pair. So, but the manager was fantastic, really, really good service. So more than likely, I will just get them from here if I cannot find them physically today, which I probably won't. He says they get them here hunting season, but they don't have them now, so I'm gonna have to order them online. So, but the service was really good. So, do what we gotta do. So yesterday we planted another 4 plants. It was cherry tomatoes. So we planted 4 cherry tomato plants in the garden. We're back here at Lowe's today. We're burning some time. I'm gonna go to the next couple stores, look for some boots. But I got another row ready to go of whatever we're thinking about planting. So we got beefsteak tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers. So what's next? I don't know. Let's gonna take a look around and figure it out. But we got a lot more room to plant a lot more stuff. So in the next day or two, I want to do another row of plants. So look at the price though. Look, these cherry tomatoes right here. This is a more mature plant. It's already got little tomatoes on it already. $20. $20. It is not cheap to plant flowers or vegetables. If you want a little strawberry plant, they're like $5, $6, $7. It was crazy to think like how much that plant's going to have to produce to pay for itself. On top of it, you got to grow it, water it, feed it. Are you going to get a return on it? Like with the tomato plants, we got a whole little tray for like $5. And that was like 6 plants. So we'll definitely get a return on that. Same with the bell peppers. But when you start buying these mature plants, even like right here, this is a little bit more mature hot pepper plant right here, $5. So not cheap. Trees, I mean, the palms were not cheap, but I thought we got a pretty decent deal. Some places, if you go to some of the nurseries, some of the private nurseries, they're really expensive. But you just think like in this economy right now, how expensive it is to be planting trees, flowers, a garden. It's not cheap. It is not cheap. One thing about being out here in Alabama, there's not really any quarries, at least in the southern part of the state. So people go, oh, why don't you throw a bunch of gravel down on your driveway? It's like, well, the driveway is a half a mile. The gravel prices out here, the rock prices out here, blow your mind. It is super, super expensive. So, but yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you're planting, you're doing any landscaping, what do you think about the prices? I mean, I haven't done planting or landscaping for a long, long time. But I will say it is not cheap. Oh yeah, we got to get our fertilizer. Like this right here? Okay. So while we are here this morning, it's now 8:40. We're going to pick up some fertilizer for the palms, some fertilizer for the fruit trees. Make sure that they're getting their nutrients. But it's real quiet. I'm usually not shopping this early in the morning, but it is. We're the only ones here, so very, very quiet. But I will say, like, we've been to a couple of Lowe's out here, and the flowers are just so beautiful. They have such a nice inventory. Take a look at these guys. Love these. So many beautiful choices and options to really make your property beautiful. Look at that. Little sale here was $13.98. I mean, it's a lot of money. But yeah, Lowe's really has some nice options. And this one doesn't have as many choices as the one that's closer to our house, but still very, very nice. Oh, these lilies, huh? So nice. That was beautiful. Beautiful. And we got the whole place to ourselves. So yeah, comment down below. Are you doing a garden? Some people may do seed. Are you landscaping? You notice prices? But some really beautiful stuff. These. Another lily. Gorgeous. Roses. Yeah, there's just something fun about growing stuff. I really enjoy it, and the garden's going to be a lot of fun this summer. It's doing well so far. Hopefully we don't get attacked by a bunch of insects or have an animal come in there and wipe it out, but so far so good. Everything seems to be thriving, and we'll see how it continues to go. So we got some fertilizer. Going to stop, make a couple of little stops over here at the shopping center. And then we're going to stop at this boot store, see if they have any snake boots. Keep you posted. Let's go. So I just went online straight to Lacrosse, and they had last year's model, the Alpha Agility. So I just ordered that. It was $180 boot, and they had it for $126, $8 to ship. So it'll be here on the 26th, the shipment. So I just did that. So we're going to save time, save money. Now we're going to go to breakfast. We're going to head over to Mom's Kitchen in Dothan and have a nice breakfast. And then we've got some more errands to run. Keep you posted. It's a beautiful morning. About 70 degrees right now. Partly cloudy. Going to be 84 today and sunny. But absolutely gorgeous. But we're now in the Dothan area. This is kind of like the metropolis of where we live. This is what we drive into to shop. And it's kind of like, you know, kind of reminds me a little bit of, not really of the desert, but kind of the size of a La Quinta or Palm Desert type area. But it's definitely not the same. You can see this cruising down here. Definitely has a different feel than the desert for sure. All the lights are hanging on wires. They're not, you know, on the posts. Businesses are a lot more spread out. It's a lot more green, but has everything you need. Everything you need out here. All the restaurants, all the shopping, all that. The gyms are out here and whatnot. But it's a half hour from our house, which not a big deal for us. We come down and we're just running multiple errands and getting some things done today. And one of my favorite places is Mom's Kitchen. Simple, very, very cheap. Have a nice breakfast for 10 bucks, and it's homemade. So we have a nice breakfast and then run a few more errands. So keep you posted. Here we are in Dothan, the hustle and bustle of the big city. All right, we're at Mom's Kitchen. Grab a little grub and continue with the day. If you ever come here, one of our favorites, Enrique's favorites for sure, is the pork chops. You can get them grilled or fried, but deep fried pork chops here, very, very good. But yeah, you can have a good breakfast here for 10 bucks. One of my favorite places. So just got me a Denver omelet, which is the Western omelet here. Where you got some corned beef and hash, some pancakes. Got my $10 breakfast here. Can't beat it. Perfect.
Thank you.
You know, it was probably, I don't know, a year and a half ago. I went to Denny's, and it was half the breakfast was microwaved, and it was $17 for a Grand Slam or something. It was ridiculous, and half of it was microwave. This is all homemade, fresh. $10.99. I got toast. I got hash browns. I got an omelet for $10.99, and it was made fresh. It's nice and hot. Mom's Kitchen, good place.